Today is milling, creating 6x3/4 for cladding, and then maybe 6x2s for structural timber. I'm going to try and set up the camera so I can do a time lapse just to show you how the milling actually works.
What am I to do? What am I to say? I don't believe you, but it's done anyway. Is it too late? Can it still be saved? Can it still be saved when the trust is all gone? Can it still be saved when the trust is all gone? Oh, yes, it's true. I need you, but this won't do.
Do you know what? I think you get the idea now, don't you? Well, I haven't got my watch on, but it's going to be another 3/4 of an hour. So we'll stop there, shall we? And I'll join you later with something else. Right. Here we go. We have 35, 6x3/4. Oh. And they're about 3.3 meters long. So that's a significant amount of wood, maybe 100 meters. Very pleased with that. It's good looking timber. Some of it has got a really nice density, as you can see. It's going to be a pleasure to use it. Right, let's get this away in the tractor.